Hi, Alistair here from Golf Academy. Just going to run through a video to show you how to best use Trackman range. The usage this week's been great, a lot of feedback from members, and really everyone is thoroughly enjoying using it, so it's been a great addition so far. So I'm just going to run through some best practices, how to get the most out of it when you're using it. So the first thing to do is make sure you've downloaded the Trackman Golf app. Once you're in your bay, you would open up the app. All you have to do is hit quick login and that'll open up a camera. You then just hold that camera over the top right of the screen where the QR code is, and then it just takes a couple of seconds and you're now signed in to the screen. So this is the home page that you come to once you've logged in. So everything you now do will save to your phone in the Trackman Golf app, so you can always go back and see it. So you've got practice, games, courses and tournaments. Warming up, you'll mostly use practice. So if we go into practice, there's range practice. On course is where you can go to a certain hole on one of the courses. Map My Bag is to map out the distances of each of your clubs. So if we go into range practice just now, there'll be some buttons come up on the right hand side. So it's important to make sure you've got the right settings here. So the first thing to do is select your target. The bay I'm in is pretty much in line with this first flag. So just for my direction, I'm going to aim at that flag. Club, I'm just going to start by warming up with a pitching wedge. And then this button here for convert is quite important. So if I hit convert, it will show me the performance of the shot with a premium golf ball and in no wind conditions. So one thing just to be mindful of is where you put your bag in the range, because we've got benches and bins all the way across the back now. If you just put your bag right up beside the pillar, it means there's more space for everyone to walk past and we don't need to stop for golfers when they swing. So I've just hit 3 shots there with my pitching wedge. So this is there's a few different views. This is from top down. You can swipe and see it from a different angle. If you click down here on view, you can also see a table. So that's got a table of the 3 shots. So these numbers here are converted numbers. If I hit convert, those numbers change. So it goes from, like the last shot I hit was 138, but normalized, converted, it was 142. So the numbers change based on the wind. You see it more here as well. The height has changed a little bit, total distance changed, and the result of the ball has changed.